In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a Colourpop eyeshadow palette, and I will be reviewing today the Stranger Things palette. So this is what our colors are looking like for this palette. Very pretty, kind of different. These palettes that I've been using lately have been kind of pushing me out of my comfort zone, and I'm kind of liking it because I'm getting to see where my creativity is expanding. So with a clean face, brushes in hand, prepare yourself for the next look. We have already gotten this one eye done. Yeah, coming per the use. I think I used 4 shadows today. I have a lot of thoughts about this palette. I have a lot of looks that I can just sit here and I can see so many things that I can do with this palette. So the shades that I used today to get this look right here is I used the Chief of Police, this one right here. And then I went in with this, the Gate, this grayish slate color right there. And also use this Castle Buyers. Now that's cute. Yeah, I picked that one up as well. And then I'm going to place, what's the name of this one? Hungry for Blood. This silver-ish color right here. I'm going to also be putting that into my inner corner. So we're gonna do our other eye over here just like always, and yeah, we can get right into it. So first color that I'm gonna lay down is the D&D. I don't think I told you guys I used that one, but it's like this pinkish taupe shade, and I did use that like in the crease all over to just give myself some transition there. And I'm going to be using this mirror right here to place these shades down. So I did not have any issues with this palette. I'm going to go ahead and let y'all know that right off the cuff. It was very easy to use. Color shades are pigmented. They come through, yeah. And it's not like there's a lot of fallout either, so that's a good thing depending on, you know, how you feel about fallout. I don't really have too much of an issue with fallout as long as it's not falling out on my face. Now, if it start falling out on my face, then I got a problem with that. But otherwise, I really don't mind fallout. It's not, you know, if I tap the brush off and I get some fallout on the pan, that's not an issue. Not for me anyway, I'll say. So the next shade that we are going to pick up, y'all, this is just a quick, easy look, but it looked like you put a lot of effort into it. Easy look to get you out of the house, but you're still going to be stunning, girl. Yes. So we're just going to take this next shade, which is the color, the Gate. That's that gray slate color right here. This one, and we're going to place it. We're gonna start in the outer V, but then we're gonna kind of like bring it all the way over across the lid. So we'll do that right now. And you see, I didn't really put a lot of this on my brush, but it is a little is going a long way. So I do like that. And I'm just using this little fluffy brush right here. I'm going, yeah, hope you guys can see that. And it is doing a fantastic job with my no-name brush. I don't even remember where I got this from, but yeah, she beasting with the blending right now. It is doing a phenomenal job at that. So I think I got y'all in pretty good so you can see, you know, what I'm doing here and how I'm getting down. Yeah, so that's the gray. So is anybody else excited to try this palette? I know this is the month of October, And this is a conversation that I wanted to have. Does the month of October make you want to bring out like your spooky palettes, your Halloween palettes, your grungy palettes? Or does it make you want to bring out those fall palettes? Because for me, October is the month that I start pulling out the Stranger Things, the Haunted This, the I forget what their names are, the sisters that have the pots, and I can't think of their names right now, but Colourpop has a palette that was made by them last year. Hocus Pocus was the name of the palette. I do not know why I cannot think of these sisters' names right now. However, when October comes, I'm pulling out all those palettes. I want to use them. But then when November comes around, I'm like, girl, where is my fall palettes at? I want to bring out everything fall, the burgundies, the oranges, the peaches, the greens, like, yeah. So let me know down below, what does October do for you? Do you reach for your Halloween palettes, or are you reaching for fall palettes? Talk to me. Let me know how you're feeling. So the next shade that I'm going to pick up now is going to be the Castle Buyers, and I'm actually going to use, do my spray I had. I'm just going to reach over here and grab my spray real quick, and I'm going to be using this green shade right here. It's kind of got a little shift to it. I didn't realize that at first, but yeah, I'm gonna pick, it's like a green blue shift. Okay, Colourpop coming through with a duochrome. So I'm using my liner brush, and I'm just kind of picking up some color on that. And I definitely am going to tap the excess off of that. And I'm going to spray it. And then I'm just going to go in and line my upper lash here. So when I said I was giving y'all something that was not going to take you long to do, like, girl, I really meant that. Because I don't be having a lot of time. And even the little looks I be doing that don't require much be taking me some time. So I don't know if anybody else got some impatient family members, but when they ready to go, they ready to go. So you got to get moving. You got to know what you're going to do with your look. And you got to get out of there. So I kind of just use that color for some liner. I'm going to go back in one more time and pick up that shade D and B, which is this one right here. Tapping off the excess. I'm just going to make sure everything is blended in that crease very well. And I'm taking that all the way in. And just try to blend out that slate color a little bit. Yes, you guys. So this is what I have so far. I am going to do my lower lash line. Probably going to use the color slate. Or I'm saying the color slate, but it's actually called the Gate. But it's like that slate gray. So right there, I'm going to be using that one on my lower lash line. And then I probably also smudge it out with the D and B. But let me go ahead and throw this Chief of Police, which is this one right here, up underneath the brow bone. I'm going to do that before I go ahead and do my full face. Yeah, so that is what that's looking like. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and do my full face, and then I will be back to show you the final look. So girl, I am back with the finished look, and the only thing that I do want to do right now with you on camera, and I just had, and that's crazy, I done lost my brush that fast. That's okay, here we go, right here. The only thing that I do want to do is take this color Hungry for Blood. No, I didn't realize it was called that. I know I said it a while ago, but I wasn't even paying attention. But I want to put that color in the corner of my eyes. And that's going to finish everything off. And we're going to see what we're looking like. Yes, putting that in the inner corner. Okay. It's like a bluish gray, like a silver or something. I think that's real cute up against this greenish color. I'm gonna have to do a little research because a couple of these is looking like they duochromes, but I don't want to say it for sure because I don't know. And that probably is something I should have had looked at before I came on here. But yes, so that is what we got right now. This is the finished look. I'm excited about this palette because, like I said, you guys, this is really nice. I would encourage you to go out and pick this one up. I think this one was $20 as well. I think it was. I think this has some colors in here that you can definitely do various looks with. As I stated before, I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this palette with the rest of the days that we have left in this month, because I'm all about using these spooky palettes for the month of October. Y'all don't forget me now. Make sure you go down and talk to me about what you think about October. Is it spooky palette month? Is it fall palette month? Let me know what you're feeling. And then on top of that, today I have rediscovered a love for a lipstick that I had put away for some time, and I am rocking it on my lips today. And it is the Juvia's Place. This is from the Nubian Earth line. It's the shade Morocco. And this, the packaging on this is so cute. This is not what this video is about, but I did just want to show you guys what it's looking like. Now, I mean, that lipstick is giving nude, it's giving fall, it's giving everyday. It's giving me everything that I need right now to complete this look. So y'all, this is it for the Colourpop X Stranger Things palette. Do I love it? Do I like it? Yes and yes. Before y'all get out of here, do not forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because it really does help my channel out. It keeps me coming back to give you some videos to watch, and it keeps me doing these reviews on these eyeshadow palettes. So do not forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you will be notified every time I do a video. Until next time, y'all be blessed. Let's come back and do it all over again. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube.